Imagining when everything gets normal. Year 2021. We are all now studying in class 8. Sonakshi Chatterjee of class 8 is getting ready for her school. But she's unable to find her English copy which she has to submit tomorrow to Shantana ma'am, her English teacher. In fact, our English teacher. Let's see what happens next.
Oh my, where is my English copy? If I don't get it, then I will get a big scolding from ma'am. Since tomorrow is the last date for submitting, I have to find it somehow. But how? My English copy must be here. What is this? It's the vlog that we created when there was a lockdown going on for Corona. I remember it perfectly. I'll watch it today.
Fire and fire, leading to the sky, soaring high is the motto of our school. Hello Hardik, what are you doing? Do the editing fast. Our teachers have also done and given us their portion. We need to do a little bit faster.
Oh, I am doing faster than I ever can. Just give me an hour or two and then I will complete the editing.
Okay, but please be fast. And remember, we need to give our best for the blog.
Obviously, we will try the best for our blog. Okay then, bye.
Hi Dev, how are you?
Well, I am pretty good.
How is the blog going on? What is the criteria for the selection?
Well, the blog's going pretty good, and I think the criteria would be that we need to take some unique drawings, not the drawings like some common. We need to take some unique drawings, yeah.
How many drawings have you received till now?
I have received 7 drawings till now.
Hello Ashmita.
Hello Debashrita.
I think we should now go ahead with the blog.
Yes, it is a fine idea. How many works have you received in total?
I have received 8 of them.
Okay, it is good.
Okay, bye.
Yes, bye.
I would like to know how far we have proceeded with our work.
I have made one comic strip and I have got yours. So these are the 2 entries we have yet.
Did you ensure with Hardik and Rajeshwari that they have received all the work we have sent so far?
I have emailed them the works, but they haven't confirmed yet.
Is there anyone who is still doing the comic work and is due to submit?
I've consulted all my classmates, but none of them are participating in making the comic strips. Rajeshwari told me that we have to recite our comic strips. So, have you told the others to recite it?
Yes, I have told others.
So, Kritik, are you prepared for the final submission?
Yes, I am prepared for the final submission.
This audio, video, and pictures are for entertainment purposes only. It should not be taken seriously. Yeah, like don't take it seriously. You will regret.
Caution: though this picture shows me in a football ground, it is not. It is edited using a pencil and eraser, and I obviously have more than 2 stuck out teeth. Well, it's me staying FIT during COVID-19. And as you can see, I've grown some awesome looking biceps with a football under my right leg, which is actually ping pong ball, enlarged to match the comics. As you can see, it is written eyes drooped. That's because the overburden of work I'm doing these days in the COVID-19 lockdown inside my house. and the teeth stuck out has a whole lot of reason behind it. My front two teeth wanted to go far ahead in their life and become successful teeth, and yeah, they went 1 to 2 inches sticking out like that and making me look more awkward than ever. Well, the overall appearance is like Luis Suarez, the famous footballer playing in FC Barcelona, and I hope you enjoy the comic.
In the year 2019, Grandpa. Good morning, children. Glad to see you again. Tell me, what brings you here today? Derek. Grandpa, today my classmate Bombatius Brunhat from planet Bonzo in Yucatania was discussing with me about how we helped each other in the past. Grandpa, can you tell us about how we helped them and how they came to our planet? Grandpa, sure I can. But now you children tell me, do you know about the pandemic COVID-19? Jeanette, no, what is COVID-19? Grandpa, looks like you children have not been paying attention in your history class. Well, I had to tell you the full story then. The story starts like this. In the year 2021, Barry, hey everyone, a gleaming crystal of light is coming towards us. Wear your masks and peep from your window, but don't come out. George, it's so bright. Look, it is going in the direction of that field. 5 people from the apartment come down. Do not break social distancing norms. Please wear masks and carry a sanitizer. We are going to see what has happened. After reaching the distant field. Look, it's a UFO. And look, some people have landed in our Earth. They look like aliens. Yes, they are. Let's speak to them. George, hey, who are you? From where have you come? What do you want? Alien, we come in peace, human. We've come from Bonzo in Yucatania. This is planet Earth, isn't it? We've come in search of a fruit named apple. We are suffering from a disease called X45C6, and apple is its only cure. George, Barry, please go and bring some apples for them. Not gonna lie, we are also suffering from the pandemic COVID-19. Alien, did you say COVID? Oh, we already have its cure. Here, take this little bottle of capsules. Study its contents and send it to medical industries for production. George, thanks a ton. Here is a basket of apples for you. Thank you, but I only need one. We will clone it using our cloning machine. Farewell, we will meet again. George, farewell. And this is the story of how we helped them and how they helped us. This is also the story behind communication of Earth and Bonzo in Yucatania.
Hello? Good evening, Arjun.
Good evening, Aditya.
Arjun, how far is the work gone?
Almost done. Have anyone else submitted to you?
Yes, only 3.
What are the total number of works?
Only 9. Okay, let's send it to Hardik and Rajeshwari.
How the work is proceeding?
The work is proceeding very well.
Okay. Are people still sending and cooperative?
Yes, they are very much cooperative.
Okay. How many stories did you get?
I got from Ayush, Hardik, Kritik, you, and I sent it to Rajeshwari, and I also got from Pronit.
Okay. Who are the ones who send the stories?
Can you please repeat?
Who are the ones who had sent the stories?
I said to Pronit, Kritik, Ayush.
Oh, yes. Okay. Do you have any queries?
No queries.
Thank you.
we precise. Living up into the sky, soaring high, soaring high, soaring high. With a heart full of love and a hand that carries me, if we dare even shout to the world. All the skins will ring as we go to swim and drink. If you taste the best food,